For convenient use away from home, SimplyGo Mini can be powered by one of 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. When fully charged, the standard battery can provide up to 4.5 hours of operation. The extended battery can provide up to 9 hours. To get the best long-term performance from these batteries, please read the Caring for Battery section of the user manual. Before you insert or remove a battery, be sure SimplyGo Mini is turned off. Hold the device in one hand and use your other hand to insert a standard or extended battery into the bottom compartment. To remove a battery, push the eject button on the center of the battery compartment. If you have been using the device, the battery may be warm to the touch. Both standard and extended batteries have a gauge, so you can check the amount of charge. To see the level, press the black button on the standard battery. On the extended battery, press the 2 black buttons simultaneously. The more LEDs that are lit, the greater the amount of charge in the battery. The LEDs will blink when the battery charge is very low. You can charge the battery using the AC power cord that came with your SimplyGo Mini. With the battery installed, connect the AC power supply output cable to the power input connector on the device. Connect the AC power cord's connector to the AC power supply. Plug the AC power cord into a standard electrical outlet. A green light will illuminate on the AC power supply when the device is energized. Allow the battery to charge fully before you use it for the first time. When charging is complete, disconnect the AC power supply and SimplyGo Mini is ready for portable use. As long as a battery is attached, you can also run the device using AC power. However, never use or recharge the device without the battery installed. To use DC power, plug the outlet cable of the DC power supply into the power input connector. Insert the other end into a vehicle's DC electrical outlet. You can use SimplyGo Mini while your vehicle is running.